How to change the Google Forms owner. So if you're searching for the video that help out you in order to change the Google Form owner, then it's the right video. So first thing first, open any browser, and on the web browser or the web address bar, you need to simply click on it and search for Google Form. And you will reach on this result page where you need to click on this first link, and then you will get access to this page where you have to select Go to Forms button. Make sure that you have signed in on your Google Forms account. Now let's click on any untitled form, or let's click on the blank form. So on this blank form, simply you need to click on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen, and on this drop down menu box select Add Collaborators. And now you need to add editors to untitled form, or you can add people, groups and calendar events as well. So you can easily add the email to whom you want to make the owner of. So let's click on message and let's write in accept. You can write whichever you wish to. And then you can click on the send button. Once you send this access to that email, you can simply open that email and make sure that other person accept it. Then if other person doesn't accept your Google Forms email or access, then you cannot make them the owner. So let's open the other mail. So as you can see that we already have received the mail from another email, and here you can simply click on open and accept it as well. So once done, let's get back here, and as you can see here on the add collaborators option, you will see the people with access to this on title form. So you can simply click on this editor option and click on transfer ownership option. Now let's click on send invitation, and you will be the owner until this person accepts ownership. And if the other person accepts this ownership invitation, then the ownership will be easily transferred. So invitation has already been sent. So let's check again if the mail has been received or not. So again, let's click the invitation mail, and here you will see the option of accept or decline. If the option is chosen to decline, then the ownership will not be transferred. If it is accepted, then the ownership will be transferred. So you can see that you have accepted the ownership of this file. That means we have successfully transferred the ownership of this untitled forms to other person. In this way, you can easily transfer the ownership to another user using this method. So I hope in this way you can easily now solve your issue of changing the ownership or transferring the ownership. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then do subscribe it and press the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from our channel.